Hi there, in this new episode of the Learn SAP in 5 Minutes series, we will see together how to open and close a posting periods. I'm pretty sure that you already encountered this error message from SAP when you was trying to make a good receipts for several materials or a material consumptions and so on. Posting only possible in periods 2022-08 and 2022-07 in company code, the one you are using. This data could change according to the period that are available and open in your system and when you would like to make the movement, the stock movement. In order to solve this error message, you will have to check the current period for your company code and close the previous one in order to open the one you are in. In order to do that, you will have to use the transaction code MMRV, press enter, and here just specify your company code. Press enter again. In this screen, you can see the posting periods area where this first line will be quite interesting in our case, the current period. For the moment, the current period of this company code is 08-2022, and you will have to set this value, this period, at the point you are in the real life. For example, if you are in the period 10-2022, then this current period should be 10-2022 and not the 08-2022. In this case, you will have to close two periods, 09-2022 and until 10-2022. Therefore, you will have to execute two closing periods in order to jump through two periods at a time. Otherwise, you will have to do it manually each time for each period. You cannot jump for 2, 3, 4 periods. You will have to do it step by step and one by one. Let's see right now how to do it with the transaction code MMPV.
Let me interrupt you 5 seconds. If you are interested in our content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and activate the bell in order to be notified each time we will publish a new training video in SAP.
Let's write here the transaction code MMPV and press enter. So this is the transaction in order to close the period for material master records. In our case, we would like to do it for the company code 1010. So let's first select our company code, and then here you have the periods you would like to close. In our case, in the current period of our company code, it was specified 08-2022. We would like to open the 09 periods in order to be able in the 09 period to perform material good movement. For doing that, you will have to close all the period until 09, so the current period plus 1, and here specify the fiscal year 2022. Keep in mind that you have to check a radio button to close the period. This one will only check the period you specified here if there is no errors. Let's then execute. And then here you can see the log message in order to indicate you that the current period until 09 is now closed. Let's move on the transaction code MMRV in order to see the status of our current period. Normally, it should upgrade until 09-2022. Specify our company code, press enter, and here you can see our current period 09-2022. We are now able on this period to perform material good movement. If you would like to open now the period 10-2022, let's go back in the transaction code MMPV, indicate the company code again, press enter, and here close all the period until 10, 20, 22. And then you will have to click execute. If we go now in the transaction code MMRV, we should see now the current period, which is 10, 20, 22. So now we are able to perform good movement on this 10, 20, 22 period. Just keep in mind that you should do it one by one, step after step.
Thanks to you for watching this video. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel if you like our content and to visit our website to know more about SAP. See you soon!